the post in the mail. I am so excited and I cannot wait. I can't believe this day has arrived. Okay, let me put you guys down. So, oopsie. Okay, this has arrived in the mail and I cannot wait to rip it open. Ta-da! GoWonder patches! Our travel patch has finally arrived in my hand, and this is only half of what we ordered, and the other half has already gone to shipping to all of you guys. Oh my goodness, will you look at these bad boys? Oh my god, I can't believe this. From design to finding the manufacturer to Claire helping us find the perfect manufacturer to you guys voting for your favorite design to me holding these in my hand right now. I cannot believe this has actually happened. Look at these. They are so beautiful. Tomorrow I'm going to unpack these and write my little note to you guys for thank you for supporting the community, and I can't believe this. Can't believe I'm now holding these in my hand right now as we speak.